Hey guys, welcome back to Planmas day 14. Today we're just going to update my planners and have a little planner chat. I honestly am out of video ideas. I mean, I have a couple that are contenders, but nothing like that I can do right now. There's things that I just need to work on or figure out, so we're just going to update our planner. I was going to do a planner flip, but I figured every week might be a little overkill, so we're just going to spend some time in our planners, talk, chat. It's been a long day already. I am tired. It's Thursday, so oh yeah, I need to do this. Good thing I just seen this. I did that. We're doing that. I can throw those in the wash and do this after I do finish up here. I did go grocery shopping. We're doing Planmas now. And then I work with the girls in the evening after dinner. I have a couple things to write in, so tomorrow I might be going to hang out with my friend and go shopping for teacher gifts, but I also wanted to go to the Dow Gardens Christmas lights. It's like a local garden here, and they are doing like a free Christmas light walkthrough, so Christmas, I'll just say show. I think that'll be fun, and not many things are free these days, so I think that'll be fun. The girls love lights, especially Monay, so I think we'll do that tomorrow. We're gonna have our family night here, and I'm just gonna list out some things that we're going to do. We're gonna paint ornaments. I got like a little kit from Target a while back. And then, what was the other thing? Oh, decorate cookies. Oh, I just bought the cookies today. And I actually wanted to write that down. I did a couple other things. We went to Gordon's. I don't know. I think it's an ONS. But yeah, that is all the updating I need to do in here at least. Sunday, we're going to do a plan with me for next week. So I'm trying my hardest to just like not jump in there. I do need to call, and I'm going to call my doctors and reschedule. An appointment in January that I'm not going to be able to make, so I need to reschedule that. But yeah, I don't think there's much else I do in here. Yeah, I think that's it. So just wanted to update that quick. We're going to leave this out though, actually, so that I can update my memory planner. So I wanted to talk about a few planners, actually. So I was like on Instagram, and I can't remember her name, but every time I see someone's well filled out Hobonichi weeks, it makes me really want to use that planner so bad. And it's funny because I know it doesn't work for me. I just never have enough space in it. I mean, I only tried it once, to be fair, but yeah, I quickly moved out of that planner this year because of space issues, and every time I see it, I just fall in love. Like, people, it just always is at my heartstrings, but I just have to stop myself, and that's one planner I feel like I'm always going to have eyes for. That, and then, what was the other planner? The Commit 30. Oh my gosh. I don't know what it is about that planner, and I think it's just the way people use it, not necessarily the planner. But it's like, I'm not needing to change. Like, I'm not looking at those people's planners and then, like, wanting to change, but it's just like, gosh, I wish those planners could work for me. But okay, Monday. What do I want to write down about Monday? I honestly don't think it was much of anything. This is the hard part about it being Thursday already and me not writing anything down, because I don't even, well, actually, okay, I can write down. I was supposed to do baths on Sunday night, and I didn't have time, so I had to get up super early and give them a bath before school. I hate when I have to do that, but I did. Alright, I need more bath time stickers. This is my last one. I think I'll save that one. And I'll use this from Once More with Love. But we've been getting, so that means I got up early all week long. No wonder I've been so tired. So I'm just gonna write AM baths. And then, oh, here comes Milani with her loud tablet. Hi. Can you take that in your room, please? Mommy's filming a video. Thank you, I love you. I don't know what else I did. Did I run errands that day? No, I think that was Tuesday. We're errands with Milani. I think I'm literally just gonna leave that. Sometimes I don't put too much down. Wednesday, which was yesterday. Oh, we had such a blast. So it was a family fun night at our local Buffalo Wild Wings. And we went out to dinner and enjoyed a meal. And then the girls got to create like a little snowman craft. It was really fun. And I got some super cute photos from it. But I don't do photos until the the end of the week, because I need to know how many photos I'm working with and spacing and all of that. So I am just looking for a sticker. We'll use one of these, but I also want like a holiday sticker, which I think those are in here. So I decided, okay, if you watched one of my past videos, or if you've been watching my videos, you know that I ordered a new journal. Like, I had the TN size. It doesn't work for this system with what I keep in here. And literally yesterday, I decided that I already ordered the green version of this for next year, and I'm still waiting for that to come in. Sydney's been very like backed up with orders from Black Friday and Cyber Monday, and I ordered like a week later, so I think she's like super close to my order now. And of course, now that she's super close to it, I completely decided yesterday that I am going to use the TN size. I was messing around in here, or like with my setup for next year, and decided, I don't know, after using this, and I don't want to share my like personal journaling, but after using this, I just don't enjoy the small size of the page as much as I thought I did. So I was like going back and forth, and I just really like the TN size. So I'm going to make it work, and I will kind of show how I'm going to set it up. But we will be setting up my journal and my memory like planner insert for next year, probably sometime next week. All right, what am I looking for? Maybe I think we'll just do that. That's kind of cute. They had a Santa at the restaurant and everything. It was so cute. All right. I don't know how much space I need. That's part of the issue, though. Is there anything else I want to put down about yesterday? I don't think so. Oh, we did go to Target after dinner. That was nice. And TJ Maxx, actually. So, okay, we're going to move this around. Oh, this is cute. Look at this. But there's 4 of us, and there's 4 in here, so I think I'll keep that. Hopefully I can pull this off. Perfect. Okay. Yeah, but the main thing I decided when it comes to this planner, I am going to take this out, which is sad because I really like how I decorated this, and I like how it looks like all together. But I'm keeping this entire folder set up. I love this so much. Like, this works so well. I'm going to move my TN insert here, and I'm going to have to jump band it in, so I will no longer be using this nice insert from Alicia Plans and Lauren Phelps Designs. So it'll go this little folder set up, and then my insert, and then my TN sized journal. And then this is what I'll be using for reusable sticker sheets. And there's a little peek at my word of the year for 2024. I'm planning to do a lot of growing next year. Or focusing on growth at least. So let's see here. I used to have a little Target sticker, but I think I used it last week probably. Yeah, I did. So is there a shopping bag? There's actually one right here. We can use this. We went to Target after dinner, and then we went to TJ Maxx, and it was completely my fault for trying to do way too much back to back like that, because the girls were horrible in TJ Maxx. They would not listen. So we ended up having to leave, and I'm gonna have to go on Friday to figure out their teachers' teacher gifts. But we got some cute little bags from the dollar spot, and the girls each want to write their, like, create their teachers a card, so that'll be nice. All right, so what do I want to put? Yeah, we'll just leave it at that. I actually got a little bit of extra sleep last night, which was super nice, but I'm still super tired. But that, I think, is it. I will write down today that Milani and I have been running all the errands. I've been completing all the tasks. Finally got a few things that we've been needing to figured out. I'm filming. I feel efficient. But I want like an errands type washi or sticker. So we'll come over here. Probably, yeah, just gonna use one of these little car. And then Milani and I also had pancakes for breakfast. It was so cute. We were out and she goes, "Mommy, can you make me pancakes when we get home?" And how could I say no to that? I'm probably gonna put that in here too. Let's see here. Oh, that's a cute one. Okay. Errands with Milani. And then pancakes. It's more so like a brunch. Perfect. Okay, so that is all I really needed to update. This was definitely like a short video and not so chatty. I don't know how people do it. Like, I love watching Taylor over at Mama of More Plans and all of their videos, but I don't know, I'm not as like chatty. So this is probably like a horrible video, but that is all I have. I just wanted to update all the things, and I will see you tomorrow with hopefully another video. We'll see what I come up with. Bye, guys.